Introducing Augustinus Bader, a luxurious skincare experience. Discover the world of Augustinus Bader, a trailblazer in luxury skincare renowned for its transformative TFC8 technology and meticulously curated ingredients. Explore the philosophy behind Augustinus Bader, a brand synonymous with groundbreaking skincare and a commitment to science-backed formulations. Unveil the unique TFC8 technology and nourishing blends that set Augustinus Bader apart, delivering optimal hydration, repair, and renewal for a harmonious balance of the skin. Delve into the cult favorite, the rich cream, specialized eye care, science-driven serums, and indulgent body creams that redefine skincare routines. Discover the availability of Augustinus Bader products at select luxury retailers and beauty boutiques, including dedicated points of sale in New Zealand. Learn about the impressive before and after results and glowing testimonials that solidify Augustinus Bader's position as a game-changer in the beauty industry. Experience the revitalizing, hydrating, and luxurious radiance benefits of Augustinus Bader's transformative skincare solutions. Embrace the opulence and indulge in the radiance of Augustinus Bader for a skincare experience like no other. Augustinus Bader, redefining luxury skincare.